What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be putting together a DIY pull-up bar in the garage made out of the Schedule 40 pipe. Super simple, super cheap, about 50 bucks. Easy. Here are the things you're going to need. I'm using some 3-inch regular construction wood screws. Got a 36-inch piece of this 1/2-inch pipe. 2 18-inch pieces of this 1/2-inch pipe. We have 2 90-degree 1/2-inch elbows, and then 2, what are these called? These are 1/2-inch floor flanges. You can get all this stuff at Home Depot. Like I said, about $50. And you can hang it from your ceiling. You can hang it from a beam in your garage. You can hang it from, I guess you could probably maybe get away with hanging it like straight off of the wall, off of like a 2x4. So yeah, I'm gonna assemble this and then I'm gonna hang it up there and see if it holds me up. All right, we got the 2 kind of drop down pieces assembled. You got your floorboard, you got your 90-degree elbow, and your 18-inch piece. You can get these longer or shorter depending on how tall or low your ceilings are, etc. You know, get whatever you need for your application. Something like that. All right, she's up there, she's tight, pretty sturdy. Probably could have went with 3/4, it would have been a little bit tougher, but I'm not planning on doing any type of like kipping pull-ups or muscle ups or anything. So this should do just fine. Let's test it out. Boom! With the baby. All right, let's wrap it up. This thing is super sturdy. Definitely gonna be able to do weighted pull-ups on it. I definitely, what I was saying about maybe mounting it straight out from the wall and pulling it, definitely don't want to do that, because if you take this and you put any type of lateral force forward or backwards, you can easily tell that that's not gonna handle somebody pulling on it with it sticking straight out of the wall. You'd probably be able to do that, but you'd need to put some type of angle brace, either from the bottom up or the top down, in order to support any type of weight put on it sideways like that. But if you're able to hang it straight down from a ceiling, works perfectly fine. Super cheap, simple to make, simple to install. It took me literally probably like 10-15 minutes. And I don't know, a lot of these companies that make home pull-up bars are out of stock, so this will definitely get you by. It's gonna get me by. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of how to modify this to make it maybe more comfortable, or maybe you built one similar but you did something a little bit different, let me know in the comments down below.